quick look at Matrix Act, which I thought was very nice. Last week I did something, the video on Router Act, but I think the Matrix is definitely more flexible, convenient for what I was looking for. But no problems. You learn some and then you go on. Nice info sheet, very clear. Clue window, which means you can hover with your mouse over several sections, and then this will tell you what it is. Nice for introduction. I mean, so here this section here is a jitter. We're not going to go into that. Here's the mono stereo. This 12. That's the audio in channels. I think it's endless. Careful not to hit 1 million. And this row here is for the amount of channels out. It's that easy and it's that direct and that straight. So channels in, if you have a quick look here at Matrix here, this one. And then you see it coming in there in channel 1. This row here are the outputs. There's an output window opening. Once you click on that, and if you click on this one here, the number here will change, so you know you're channel 6. This will tell you that you're in mono mode. If you click on stereo, it splits here, so that means also that you can instantly have in one channel 2 output directions. So this incoming signal, and we click on here, and I'm just going to tell him go out host, left, right, and then he suggests that I click on one of these name suggestions, which will come in handy if once you have 10 or 15 or 250 routings going on, and I will have a look later on and see if we can make a little adjustment in Tetris to make these a bit bigger. Extra row of presets would be handy. It's good activity for a rainy afternoon. So you choose directions here, output the channels, and then check output factor. I think default is 1. It's a pretty strong audio booster. And then in one row below that, these rows with zeros in it, you can click left mouse click on it and then drag all the way up. You can hear already then we're routing out to host out. We can check how decent that is. Okay, so now I'm completely out through the matrix. I can click here on a second channel, and I may choose the delay out and do the same. Left mouse click, but you can also do a left mouse click with the Alt pressed in. Then it goes straight to the highest level. And via delay, should be hearing something. Yeah, here it is. Hey. Yes. Okay. So it's here. It's here. And another channel I can do like here the G verb. Same here. There we go. Well, etc. Really, it's really nice. Suppose you have another act who you also want to make part of this matrix or these acts. I mean, these effects, like this one here. Let's load one. Do we have a sound? And then look, it's coming in already. Matrix 3 and 4. And I want it to. Well, it doesn't really matter what I want. I want it to go to the pure delay. And I can also send a bit to the G verb. Etc. So everything you let me go clean here. Wait. Everything you send or everything you load here or send to the matrix via these channels can pick up. So it's the XY axis, and then that's what it is.